So, yun po yung tanong ko. Yung, kung anong secret mo.
There's no secret. There's really no secret to having good body. I think it's really workout and eating well.
And a little bit of enhancement as well. Ano pa ba?
But basically, even if you have liposuction, for instance, babalik din yun kasi fats yun eh. So, kailangan talaga maingat. And for me, what works is counting calories. Parang, kahit hindi naman specifically 300 calories, so more or less, hindi ba kailangan alam mo yung kinakain mo. And I counter it by, minsan, kailangan kumain, dahil iinom ako ng antibiotics. Ika-counter ko yun by working out. So, ayun. Kami sa family ko kasi, di kami halos lahat sa workout because I grew up in a home na merong gym. So, buong buhay ko nakikita ko yung tatay ko na nag-workout. Hanggang naging 80s siya. He's 83 now, but he still works out.
Oh, wow. Talagang, sige pa.